Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are making walnut orange cream pie. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, in a large measuring cup, dissolve gelatin in boiling water. Transfer the mixture to a medium bowl. Stir in condensed milk. Then stir to combine. Next, add sour cream along with orange zest. Mix well until well combined. This recipe is so easy to make, guys. You can just whip up this in few minutes. If you are not in the baking mood, then this is the perfect option for you. Fold in whipped topping. Do not add whipped topping all at once. Add it in batches. Mix until it's smooth and velvety. Pour the mixture into the prepared crust. Smooth the top. Portion the remaining gelatin mixture into 4 cocktail glasses. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Here is our finished product. I'll let them sit overnight in the fridge so that they can set. Garnish with orange slices. I would like to take this moment to say thank you so much to those who have checked out my YouTube channel and subscribed. Right now as we speak, guys, we have reached 13,000 subscribers. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my honey.